What is up then, guys? Hope you're doing well. Welcome back to the channel. So it's been a while since I've been in the garage, if I'm honest. I think we've all got things going on at the moment, especially due to the current circumstances, but I've been trying to sort my stuff out and hopefully get back and myself motivated. But firstly, I just want to say thank you to all you guys. So around this time last year, we came up with the MKATTACK spark plug covers, which were the ones with 4 gussets and the one with no holes. Firstly made, I think it was about 35, sold out. Then I went with another 45, sold out. So I think we've got something here. Like these products, they're not even just being used in England. I've sent them out to Poland. I've sent them literally around the world. So I'm like, I think we've got something here. So we are back today. I've got 4 new products. We've still got stuff for the Ford, because obviously the Ford community, that's what we do. But we've also got stuff for the Honda boys, because obviously I know a lot of you guys are going the Honda route, even in your Fiesta routes. So we've got something for the K20 engine. So let's cue the cinematics. Let's go. And this can be used on your 1.25s and your 1.4s. People don't need to know what you're putting under your bonnet. But yeah, we've got it all brushed. It's all brushed by hand as well. Let me just say that it's brushed by hand. So I'll put a lot of time and effort into all of these products. But they are all literally physically touched by me before they go out to you guys. So yeah, we've got the brushed ZTEC S. It's got the MARKEL there. I like that little touch there. It's one thing I think the last product was missing. Like, it was no branding. But if you guys don't want that one, we've also got this one, which is exactly the same as the first one. The hole's a bit more defined, and you've also got the logo there. Do whatever you want with these. I like being able to sell these, not expensive, just knowing that, because obviously Ford Fiestas are normally people's first cars, so you're probably paying like $1,000 for your first car, so you're not going to want to spunk loads of money on it. So you can get these covers. I think I've put them at 20-ish odd pounds. Paint them, wrap them, dip them, drill them. Do whatever you want to them, but I want to see what you do to it, because I really like seeing what you guys do to it. So yeah, that's what we've got coming for the Ford Fiestas. And as you saw as well, we've got something for the Honda boys, the big K20. So with this, it is a flush fitting cover, so I'll just hold it there. So on the K20s, underneath this, obviously you would have the lines for your HT leads, or whatever you want to call them, but that comes with a plastic casing, so that plastic casing needs to be removed for these to fit flush. Also, I'm going to be supplying these with bolts, not nuts. So if your K20 cover has got studs in it already, you can either remove those or just, I might invest in some M6 nuts, but at the moment I've just got these with the bolts, as you can see. So if you want to remove the studs to fit the bolts, it's up to you. If you want to just get some M6, make sure they're open hold, not domed bolts, nuts, sorry, just so that there's a place for the stud to go through. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I say, everything's done by hand. These covers are pre-bent. As you see, there's like a little bend there. But if these come through the post, they are in a padded envelope, so if they do get a little bit squished, it's not the end of the world. All you've got to do is put your spacers on, which spacers are supplied, put your bolts in, bolts are supplied, and then just give it a bit of a nudge down just so it fits the hole perfectly. So we've just done this on my friend Elliot's Integra DC3, which I'm also going to throw in here because I love the cinematics. And as you can see, it fits fine on the car. The car's currently running it now. We will be doing a review on the car very soon, because that car is an animal. If you have got any questions about the products, then feel free to send them over to me. We've got a dedicated Instagram page for the covers. We're also doing some more other parts now, which I feel like I'm kind of branching out a little bit. Your parcels are all sent out within 2 to 3 days, and that's using Herms tracked. So yeah, I think that's probably cool at the end of the video. And again, massive shout out to all you guys who are supporting the channel, because honestly, if these covers weren't selling, we probably wouldn't be moving on with the turbo build. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.